When it comes to home improvement projects, few investments are as significant or as visible as a new roof. Whether you're facing an emergency repair or planning a full roof replacement, choosing the right contractor is critical. While national chains or out-of-town companies may offer tempting deals, there's tremendous value in hiring a local Madison Heights roofing company. Here's why choosing local not only benefits your home but your community as well. Faster response times and better communication. When your roof springs a leak or is damaged by a storm, time is of the essence. A locally based Madison Heights roofer can respond much faster than an out-of-town service provider. They're just around the corner, which means quicker estimates, faster scheduling, and more responsive customer service. Local companies are also easier to reach. You're not dealing with call centers or waiting on long hold times. Many local roofing businesses prioritize personal communication. You'll often speak directly with the owner or project manager, making for a smoother experience from start to finish. Familiarity with local weather and building code. Roofing isn't a one-size-fits-all job. Materials and techniques that work in one climate might not be ideal in another. Madison Heights has its own unique weather patterns, harsh winters, heavy rains, and occasional windstorms that require specific roofing expertise. A Madison Heights roofing company understands these challenges because they live through them too. They know which materials hold up best and how to build a roof that can withstand Michigan's seasonal extremes. They're also well-versed in local building codes, permits, and inspection requirements, ensuring your project is compliant and safe. Stronger accountability and reputation. A national chain can disappear with the click of a button, but local contractors have a reputation to protect in the community. Word of mouth matters in Madison Heights, and a local roofing company will work hard to maintain a positive image among its neighbors. This translates to higher quality service, as local roofers are more likely to go the extra mile to earn glowing reviews, referrals, and repeat business. Their livelihoods depend on customer satisfaction, not just volume. That means fewer shortcuts, better craftsmanship, and a commitment to standing by their work. Boosts the local economy. Hiring a Madison Heights roofing company isn't just good for your home, it's good for your hometown. Local businesses circulate more money back into the community. They hire local employees, source materials from nearby suppliers, and pay taxes that support schools, roads, and public services. In short, every dollar you spend locally is an investment in Madison Heights itself. You're not just fixing your roof, you're supporting your neighbors and helping the community grow stronger. Personalized service and custom solution. Local roofers take pride in their work, and that pride shows in how they treat their clients. Unlike large corporate chains, a Madison Heights roofing company is more likely to offer tailored solutions based on your specific needs and budget. They'll take the time to explain your options, suggest the best materials for your home, and guide you through the decision-making process. This level of attention creates a stress-free experience, where you're more than just a number, you're a valued member of the community. Final thoughts. Choosing a Madison Heights roofing company brings peace of mind, quality craftsmanship, and a personal touch that national companies can't match. With faster service, local knowledge, and a commitment to your satisfaction, a hometown contractor is the best partner for your next roofing project. Plus, when you support local, you're not just improving your home, you're strengthening your community. That's a win for everyone.